Spartan Flight, Archangel.
Archangel, go ahead.
We've just lost contact with a pair of RAF tornadoes about 45 miles from your position. Heading 340. Please investigate. Over.
Archangel, we'll still need to reach our tanker for refueling.
Just a quick look around. You're the only one left in this area.
Copy that, Archangel. We can afford the detour.
Thank you, Spartan 1. Be careful out there. Over and out.
2, heading reference is 340, Angels 12, speed 400. 2, copy. So, did you hear the rumor? About what? About the ghost. Heard he shut down 6 coalition planes in less than 48 hours. Heard the guy say he can't die. Right. I don't believe in ghosts. I've cut the slack and stayed focused.
2, single bogey, 4 o'clock level.
Where does he come from?
I don't know. Just appeared from nowhere.
No, something's not right. 2, split formation and go BID. I'll keep looking for those tornadoes.
Copy.
Archangel to Spartan 1. Have visual and possible hostile in the area.
Spartan 1, we're breaking up.
Archangel? What's going on with the radio?
2, unknown aircraft is MiG-29.
Iraqi markings. Multiple impacts on the fuselage. Wait, there is a skull hand on the nose, and... My God, he's fired.
2, come in! Jeremy!
Oh shit, missile launch! Break, break! Archangel to Spartan 1. I'm being engaged by enemy aircraft. Bullseye 131 with 96, Angels 14. Archangel, please respond. Okay, you bastard. Who the hell is this guy? Damn it, come on. I can't shake him. Second missile, break it right. It's coming around. Come on, get a little closer. And now! I've got you. I've got you all fast too. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. All right, damn it. Let's see what you're made of. I ain't afraid of dying. I ain't afraid of any ghost. Eat this. Archangel, Spartan 1 in a blind. I'm Bingo and RTB. Be joining Arco for refueling. What the?
Spartan 1, Archangel. Do you copy? Over. Private Flight is coming to your position for assistance. Hang on, Spartan 1. Rescue is on the way.